Most people think an expensive bathroom needs new tile, new plumbing, or a full renovation. It doesn't. A bathroom can feel expensive in the first few seconds if the right details are doing their job. Stay until the end because the last trick is the mistake I see homeowners make all the time. They spend $2,000 replacing something they could fix for around $80. Today we're counting down 9 bathroom tricks that make your home look like $1 million. There's one detail guests notice within 3 seconds, and it's probably not your tile. It's your towels. Coming in at number 9, upgrade your towels and bath mat. Old towels don't just fade in color. The fibers flatten, the edges wear down, and the fabric loses the soft weight that makes a bathroom feel fresh. A towel can be clean and still feel tired. Maintained, not cared for. Choose thick towels in one calm color family. Then swap the bath mat for a textured cotton mat or small washable rug. This costs around $40 to $100. Picture thick cream towels neatly folded. The room suddenly feels intentional. That principle of invisible quality signals comes back in beat 4. Once those soft details look right, the next thing that can ruin the bathroom is what's sitting on the vanity. Walk into your bathroom and look at the counter. Not whether it's clean, whether it looks chosen or accidental. The 8th trick is to use a tray to style the countertop. A cluttered counter communicates carelessness even when it's spotless. Skincare, toothpaste, and razors tell guests the space is storage, not design. Clutter reads as neglect. That signal is quiet, but it sticks. Use a stone, wood, or matte black tray with a soap dispenser and one candle. Around $20 to $60. Picture that counter with a marble tray and 2 items. Same bathroom, but now it looks intentional. That shift is why beat 5 becomes so powerful. Now, look at the largest piece of fabric in the room. It covers more visual space than any single wall, and most people picked it because it fit. The next thing I would fix is the shower curtain and rings. A thin, shiny curtain cheapens everything around it. The tile reads more basic. The mirror reads more basic. One fabric choice pulls the whole room down. Replace it with heavy linen or waffle cotton in a quiet neutral. Swap the rings for matte black or brushed nickel, around $40 to $70. Picture the same bathroom with a thick, warm white linen panel from matte black rings. It doesn't just look cleaner, it looks chosen. Those matte black rings aren't just about the shower. They're the same principle we use again in beat 4 when every metal finish starts working together. Once the shower area feels softer, your eye still moves to the sink wall. There's a reason hotel bathrooms can feel more expensive than yours, even when the tile is almost identical. Look above the sink. The next upgrade is replacing the plain frameless mirror. A flat rectangle of glass glued to the wall can make a bathroom feel unfinished. It adds no shape, warmth, or character. An arched mirror softens the hard lines from tile and cabinets. An oval mirror works too, or choose a thick wood or metal frame. A good statement mirror usually costs around $80 to $150. Once the mirror looks intentional, the faucet underneath becomes impossible to ignore. You touch this every single day. You barely look at it, and it might be making your whole vanity feel dated. Halfway through the list, upgrade the faucet finish. Chrome used to feel clean and classic, but builders used it everywhere for decades. That's why it often feels like the default now. The faucet is small, but now it has become the jewelry for the vanity. Once the mirror is better and the counter is styled, the faucet decides whether everything feels finished or cheap. Matte black feels modern. Brushed nickel is timeless. Brushed gold adds warmth. A faucet usually costs around $80 to $150. If you're finding this useful, subscribe now because the next 4 tricks are where the bathroom stops looking updated and starts looking designed. That brings us to the designer move most bathrooms are missing. The 4th trick is making every visible hardware finish match. Mismatched finishes create visual tension. A chrome faucet, brushed nickel towel bar, black hook, and bronze toilet paper holder all send different signals. Even if every piece works, your eye reads the room as unfinished. Have you ever walked into a bathroom that looked clean but something still felt off? A lot of the time, this is why. The finishes are fighting each other. Match your visible hardware. Use the same finish for the towel bar, toilet paper holder, hooks, cabinet pulls, and faucet if possible. Picture every metal surface in matte black. The faucet, towel bar, toilet paper holders, hooks, and cabinet pulls all feel connected. The room not only looks clean, it looks intentional. A matched hardware set usually costs around $60 to $120. If your bathroom still feels random after cleaning it, look at the finishes first. Once the finishes are unified, the room is ready for a bigger visual move. There is a wall that designers treat like the hero wall. Most homeowners paint it the same color as everything else and miss the chance to make the bathroom feel custom. Now we're in the top 3, and the next move is peel and stick accent wall. In many bathrooms, the wall behind the vanity is only around 25 to 30 square feet, so one small wall can change the whole space. Keep the pattern subtle. Think linen texture, grass cloth, warm neutrals, or soft geometric prints. You want depth, not noise. Picture a subtle linen texture behind the mirror. The matching hardware from beat 4 sits in front of it, the faucet from beat 5 stands out more, and the whole vanity wall looks placed by a designer. This can cost under $50 and makes the bathroom feel custom. But even with a beautiful wall, the room can still feel cheap if the lighting is harsh. Your bathroom could have the perfect mirror, matched hardware, a styled counter, and a beautiful wall, and one thing can still make it all look wrong: the light. The runner-up trick is replacing the old vanity light bar. A chrome bar with exposed bulbs lights the room, but it also makes the bathroom feel builder grade. The light is often flat, harsh, and cold. What's the point of upgrading everything else if the light makes it feel like a hospital hallway? Choose sconces on each side of the mirror, or a modern fixture above it that connects with your hardware. Picture warm sconces at 7 p.m. The accent wall glows softly, the faucet catches the light. The mirror feels more expensive. Same bathroom, different light. A good vanity light usually costs around $80 to $200. Even the towels from earlier look better. Now we're at the final trick. This is the one that saves homeowners the most money. I want to tell you about the most expensive mistake I see homeowners make, not only in bathrooms, but in the entire house. The biggest bathroom trick is painting the vanity instead of replacing it. They look at an old vanity and think, this has to go. 2 weeks later, they're $3,000 into a replacement that didn't need to happen. Most of the time, the vanity doesn't need to be replaced, it needs to be painted properly. The key is prep. Sand lightly, use a cabinet bonding primer, paint thin coats with cabinet enamel, and finish with a clear top coat. Picture that honey oak vanity painted deep matte green with brushed gold hardware and a warm light above it. You wouldn't recognize it. Around $80, and one Saturday afternoon can change the whole room. Paint also gives you more control. A stock vanity usually comes in white, gray, or maybe navy. With paint, you can choose deep green, warm clay, charcoal, soft taupe, or a muted blue. That is why this final trick matters. It can make the vanity look custom without spending thousands. That is the real lesson here. Expensive bathrooms aren't always expensive. They're intentional. If you want the same kind of upgrades for the rest of your home, the next video shows the home updates that actually make your house feel more valuable. The next video is on your screen right now.